In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Your Store Tools account. But before we get started, it's important to note that you will need access to your BigCommerce store, and that access level must be store owner. Any other level than store owner will not be able to complete the sign up. So please make sure that whoever is signing up for this account has store owner access. Once you have that, let's log on to app.yourstoretools.com. That's app.yourstoretools.com and click on Create a New Account. And from here, we'll just fill in some general information. Our name, email, pick a time zone here. I'll just pick the first one. Let the browser pick me a password. We'll click Next. And in here, we'll just enter some information about our company. And we'll click Next. Now here is where we're going to need some information from your BigCommerce store. So let's just start out by just putting in some information here. That's going to be your company name and your website. Now, let's head on over to our BigCommerce store, and we're going to go to Settings and API Accounts. We are going to go ahead and create a new API account, which is going to be the V2 V3 API token. We're going to name this Your Store Tools. I'm just going to call it Demo. You can call it whatever you want, but I would suggest leaving it Your Store Tools. I am now going to copy this URL that's in the API path box, and I am going to paste that right over there in Your Store Tools. I'm going to go back to BigCommerce, and under OAuth scopes, there are some things that we're going to have to change permissions for. The first one is going to be content. Content is going to need to change to modify. The next one is information and settings. Information and settings is going to need to change to read only. Next one is marketing. Change that to read only. For products, we're going to change that to modify. Sites and routes is going to be read only, along with channel settings and channel listings. Once you have all of those set appropriately, click on Save. This pop-up box that comes up is very important. You're also going to get a text file that's going to download to your computer with this information on it, but it's best to just copy and paste right from this screen. So let's copy what's in Client ID, go back to Your Store Tools, gonna paste it right there. Now let's go back to BigCommerce, Client Secret, copy it, paste it there. Next, we're going to get our access token, copy and paste it right in there. And then we click on Register.